Hey guys, Corey Ballard, Ballard Products. This week's YouTube drop is about blade sharpening. We get a ton of different messages, guys, about blades being sharpened. How sharp do you want them? What angle do you want them at? And then are the Ballard blades ready to cut when they get delivered to you? So again, a lot of guys think that you want a razor sharp edge on your blades. Our blades come to you ready to cut. You're gonna want more of a butter knife edge than a razor edge. You're not gonna be shaving your face with a mower blade. I know it looks cool when you put that shiny edge on there and some guys come across the bottom and clean up the burrs, but that razor sharp edge, guys, doesn't last. Whether you can Google it yourself, you can put one on one side of your mower, the other side, go out and cut for a couple hours, you're gonna find that that razor sharp edge does not last. You hit any sticks, anything else with the grass, it dulls much, much quicker. You've got to take more of the blade off as well, so you're going to get less life and longevity out of your blades as well. So when you get our blades, they're ready to cut. This is certainly sharp, but I'm not going to be able to cut my finger on it. I could certainly use our blade assist, which we'll show you right now. Get that shiny edge on there, but you don't want a razor sharp edge. Again, looks cool, does not last. So we've got our razor, we've got our ripper, we've got the high-rise blades, we've got the X-blade combination. The Ballard blades are getting a ton of different amazing reviews. So just a little bit quick, I don't have it, oh, I do have the standard blade. So the razor is really your standard lift blade. We've got our ripper, which is your mulching blade. It's got a little higher lip. It's got the serrated edges right here, so you're gonna get your mulching. And then of course we've got, probably our best seller right now is our high-rise blade, which is gonna get your vacuum. But something super cool here that Kaz can show you is they've got a turn-in edge here. So not only are you gonna suck that grass up, but you're gonna get it out from underneath the deck with a lot more velocity. So when you're thinking about sharpening your blades, guys, I know it looks cool to get that shiny, sharp razor edge. It does not last. I can tell you at our company, we sharpen blades nightly. That's just something we've always done. We do a lot of commercial cutting. Some of you guys maybe only sharpen every 3 days. I know guys that sharpen once a week, every other week. So again, a good butter knife edge, I'm gonna keep repeating myself, versus a razor edge, you're gonna get a lot more longevity out of that. So check out all our blades. We've got all the different mower sizes. Super easy, you just select on your mower, brand, deck size, gives you all the options. We've also got our Saber edger blade on there that's just kick butt. Man, that thing just absolutely pulverizes your edges, keeps that mud from balling up in there and keeping a clean edge as well. So we'll show you the Saber edger blade here right now as well. So again, hope this helps you when you're sharpening your blades, guys. Just a good clean edge. Don't be taking those bottom burrs off. You're gonna start to wear that blade off. And definitely don't round the corners. A lot of guys, when they kind of run their blade, they tend to kind of turn a little bit. You'll start to round off that corner, then you're gonna leave those stragglers on your lines. So just make sure you got a good clean edge. Hope that helps you guys with your blades. The Ballard blades are in stock for tons of different mowers. We're always adding new mowers as well. So hope that helps you a little bit. Get out there this year and have a great season. Let us know if there's anything we can help you with, ballard-inc.com. Thanks guys, take care.